In this course, you'll learn how to create your before and after photos using the mobile application. Once you open up the app, once you're on that home screen, the first way is really quick and easy. Once you see your photo here under the Photos feed, all you'll have to do is click on that image, and at the bottom right of the page, you're gonna see these 3 dots. Click that icon down there, it'll pull up some additional options, and you can take your after photo there. So what that will do, it's gonna put an overlay over your camera, which is gonna help you line up that after photo to make sure they line up as close as possible. And then from there, you're gonna have a bunch of different filters to flip through, choose from. Pick the one that works best for you, click save, and click share. So from here, it makes it quick and easy to market your work. You can put that on your social media accounts. You can send that to whoever wants it at that point. But you have this nice branded before and after photo to show off your work. The second way, once we go back to this home screen here, if you do click this blue camera icon on a project card, it'll take you to the camera here where you can click this BA before and after in the bottom right. So once we click there, we'll choose our before photo. So we'll take this one here, we'll choose it, and it'll put that same overlay over our screen where we can line up that after photo, take that second shot, and then we have another before and after created. So again, click save, click share, and we can send that off.